Hi, it's Tigo Venturi with the Venturi Group of Real Broker in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Mid-October, Balloon Fiesta is just finishing up this weekend, and I haven't done an update for September yet, and I want to do it right now, but we're going to do it a little different this month. This month, we're going to look at the quarterly data. We just finished quarter three of 2023, so I'm going to compare that to quarter three of 2022 and of 2021. On all the different metrics, we're looking at the single family homes in the Albuquerque area. So it's a whole metro area. And we're going to look at just how things have changed and where we're sitting in the housing market here in Albuquerque right now. We're going to start right here with closed sales. There's definitely been a slowdown in home sales. Us in the business know that. The number of people purchasing home, people selling their homes has definitely slowed down really since middle of 2022, and you can see that from the real busy year we had in 2021. In fact, that quarter, probably second, third quarter of 2021 were some of the busiest months ever in our market. And then in 2022, a little bit slower, and then this year a little bit slower. So we're looking again at closed sales. You can see it's down about 15% from last year, and it was actually down about 23% from 21 to 22, which is not surprising because that's really from here to here is where that real big interest rate hit took place. All right, so we're looking at closed sales. Let's look at the number of homes for sale, as we like to call inventory. And again, we're looking at quarterly data. This is a quarterly average, down 10% from last year. Last year was up from 2021, but you can see, so we're a little bit more than 21 and a little bit less than 22. And what we're seeing is just not as many people listing their homes. This has been the big story in the real estate world here this year, is that people that have 3, 4, even 5% mortgages aren't as motivated to sell their home and move and take on a 7 or even 8% mortgage in some cases these days. There's a lot of different programs out there for lower mortgage rates, but most people are in that 7.5 right now. And you can see, so number of listings down 14%, down 18% from the year before, which was 2021. So low supply still. We're still in that low supply situation, probably a quarter of what would be considered a normal, healthy market. Let's look at one other thing. So we're looking at kind of supply there. I wanted to show you demand metrics. This is the number of showings, the number of people actually looking at homes. We're down 14% from last year. So this is average number of showings per property that's listed. So it's about 6 in 2023, which is down 14% from 2022, which was down 20% from 2021. So the supply is down, but the demand is down too. There's no doubt about it. But prices, let's get to that. That's the one everybody's very curious about. And if we look at median sale price quarterly, so in 21 it was below 300,000, then we went up to 335, and now this year 355 is the median price for the third quarter of 2023. And if we look at average price, we're now up over 410,000. 414,000 is the average price for a single family home in the Albuquerque area. This is homes that sold. These are actually homes that sold and closed. Now, if we look at it from a price per square foot standpoint, which if you ever watch me, you know this is my favorite, little better idea kind of where things are, because it takes out that square footage variable a little bit. So now we're up about $208 a square foot. And the big thing there, that's 8% from last year. And that year it was 12% from the year before. So we've seen a deceleration in the price of appreciation, but we're still having price appreciation year over year in our market. I do expect prices to probably slow down from right now in September, October into the end of the year. And if we get the normal trend, home prices will go up again starting January, February. So a lot of data there. If you want to dig into this, you can visit our website at welcomehomeabq.com. I've got a lot of market data there. Reach out to me if you got any questions on the market. We're the Venturi Realty Group at 505-448-8888, and I'm with Real Broker here in New Mexico. Take care.